How to move Valorant to another drive. So first what you want to do is open up your right client. So I have mine right here. Then click on your profile here on the top right. Then click on settings. Then go to Valorant and make sure to remember the install path right here. And once that's done, open up your files. So mine's on C, then program files. So I'm going to go on my C drive and my program files. Then Riot Games. So search for Riot Games right here. I'm just going to make this like this so we can see it better. So I'm going to find Riot Games, which is right here. And here is the Valorant folder. So what you want to do now is just simply click on it, then right click, then cut. And once you're done cutting it, just simply go to the drive that you want to move it to. So I'm going to move it to my D drive. And I'm going to paste it right here on the Riot Games on my D drive. So I'm going to paste it right here. So paste. And just wait for it to load and to be completed. Now, once the folder has been moved, what you want to do now is just exit out your files and close out your right client completely. So to do that, just go to your taskbar right here and right click on right client and click on exit. And just open it up all again. So right client and just wait for it to load. Now, once it has opened up, go to Valorant, click on install, click on already installed, then just find the folder that we moved earlier. So mine is right here on my Riot Games D folder. Click on Valorant, click on OK. So if this pops up, just do it again. So go to Valorant live, click on OK. So yeah, just make sure that it is set to the live folder and not the Valorant folder so that you won't get the error I had earlier. And that is basically it.